Going live. Borda, morning. Well done for joining us on this chilly, freezing, cold morning. Hopefully we can get a little bit warmer now in a moment. But if you're there and you want us to give you a little shout out, you can pop a message in the chat and I'll be sure to see it and give you a big hello. Big Borda. Before we go, we just got to do our usual checks of the room, just make sure there's nothing in our way that will get in the way of our dancing. So, edrych o gwmpas chi, neud yn siŵr bod dim byd ar y llawr, nothing's on the floor, nothing is outside to side. You could reach those arms or ochr I ochr and all ymlaen, heb bwcio unrhyw without bumping into anything. So just make sure you've got all that space for the dancers. Everything you do today should feel good for your body. So if something doesn't feel so good, you can leave it out. That's absolutely fine. You can do your own moves. I won't be offended. Other than that, neud yn siŵr bod oedolyn yn y stafell gyda chi, neud yn siŵr bod chi'n iawn. Make sure you've got a grown-up in the room with you, just checking you're okay. And that you've got botel o ddŵr, you've got some water to keep you going because we are going to get quite sweaty this morning. Yeah. Let's have a go. Let's put some music on.
Jump in the line, shake your body, jump in the line.
Take your compass and start travel around your room.
Shake your body.
Doesn't have to be walking. Have a think about what way you'd like to travel.
Shake it all the time. Walk, still around, walk your body.
A heddiw, pan dwi dweud,
Do
freeze up. I want you to freeze because it's so cold outside we're going to turn into ice.
She gets the sensation,
Yeah.
she goes up in the air,
As dwi dweud, freeze. Dry, if I say 2, you're going to...
jump in the line,
And then the tricky thing is you have to melt back up again.
jump in
That's
the line,
harder.
shake your body,
Yeah.
and jump in the line.
Eve! Big hand cerdded, backwards. Down. And one. Carry mine. In the back we go again, a little bit faster. As fast as you can go around the room. Ooh, dodging all those pretend friends you've got in the room with you, or if you're dancing with your siblings. Melt. And one. Skip ya. Eve. Side to side. Change direction. In. Down. In. Down. And hold on. Fifth arm, parallel to yourself. Die. Other one. Ready now, we'll go and let you get it as fast as you can. In. Backwards. Here we go, look where you're going. Die. Diane. Oh, dyma bach o ddŵr. Yeah. As always, leaks. I should know better. Right, let's do some shaking out. Siglo mas. Time on another route. So long. together so you can feel the heat. Saudi Shigla. Eve Cornelli. Oh, there's a very sweet there.
I'm lighting on my feet, and that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see.
This one's weird. Ooh. Primavera. Saffron, wake up your face. Oh. Diana Shigla. One way, one the other way. Shigla. Here comes Danny. Please have a closer. Oh, she's on first fire all the way to her toes. And my lap. Ach, Benno. Ach, Kevin. Right, keep us up. Balancing.
Brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my god, I'm just gonna shake into the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come over, baby? We can shake, shake, shake.
Penguin here. Goodbye. I'm coming. Faith and Shigla, bring your chin. Van Halen. Faith and Ace, best of tries. Oh, get this toes going. Penal. Puppet, everything. Yeah. Oh, hopefully you're feeling a bit warmer now after all that shaking. Let's have a little bit of water. Okay. So just see a messed in. I can't wake up those muscles with a bit of a stretch.
It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops.
I
can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop it. And under the lights, when nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just to let you know.
I'm Tracy. Celestia. Big sunshine. Ryan, bit of a closer.
It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on.
I think I've
No reason, don't be control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my
Amen.
pocket. Got that good soul in my feet. Feel
Here's
that
some.
blood in my body when it drops.
I think I'm recovered.
Can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenally. More like the way we rock it. So don't stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close.
Dynamite.
When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine.
Dorothy Tracy to twist. Slice. Can you slice with a different part of your body? What about your heel? What about elbows? Great.
I can't stop the. 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 Nothing I can see but you when you dance, creeping up on you. So
The ease, a dive, a roller coaster arm. Diane! Earbud.
Got this feeling in my body.
Diane P. Took my back, my other. You knew it was coming. Just a little bit of water. Okay, doing with the RSR shower. We're going to stay on the floor for a little bit longer.
See you later. Gotta hit the road.
Oh, and this is always my favourite bit. Lying on the floor, like a
Something
starfish.
changed in the atmosphere, architecture, I'm
You need to
familiar.
go coach.
I could get used to this.
You're not bad. Argument.
Time flies by,
Ah, good.
yellow and green, stick
Ah, good
around
message.
and you'll see what I mean.
Good.
There's a
Ah, good message.
mountain top
I'm wedded and governed. Barrows says okay, alright.
you know where I'll be.
Alright.
I'll be riding shotgun
Max.
underneath the
No.
hot sun,
Max.
feeling like
No.
someone.
Max. No.
I'll be
Max.
riding
Close.
shotgun underneath
Close
the hot
up.
sun, feeling like
Right.
someone.
Right. No coach.
South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road.
Emoy. Coaster.
Deep sea diving around the clock, bikini bottoms, lager top.
Right.
I could get used to this.
Yeah. Big ass. Cigar coaster. Throw that leg. Slide it along the floor. Make sure you've got space. And like me, keep it small.
I'm dreaming of if you know where I'll be.
Coach.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone.
Max. Emoy.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone.
Right. Emoy chop. One more time.
You in the front,
Then.
you in the
And
back, sailing along,
Emoy.
and we don't look back.
Good. Right. Perfect.
Flies by in the yellow and green, stick around.
Picture man.
You'll see
I
what
love
I
Hill.
mean.
It means you rock Carola.
There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone.
As quick as you can.
Like a song on a song.
Max. Amen. Alan. Diane Reed. Really cool stuff on the floor there. Good starfishing. Just turn my back on the you knew I was going to say it. Okay. Beth am to my back on Naja. What about a little bit of jumping? Are you ready for some jumps this morning? Get these legs going first. With a march. Swing your arms and high knees. Regen sigla. Up and linja and around her.
Hold on to me. Don't let
Beth am slow motion.
they see. You care what they know. Your first name is free. Last name is dumb. She will still believe in where we're from. Man's right
Here, cattle. Here, Midnight. Diesel. Diesel. Mooi, hija. Akker, Midnight. Diesel. Here, cattle. Akker, Midnight. Here, mooi.
Hold on to me.
Here,
Don't let
cattle.
me go. She just needs to eat.
Here, Midnight.
Run into me.
Yeah.
Your first name is King. Last name is
Slow
Dumb.
motion.
Cause you still believe in every word. When the baby first speaks, when the night sees
Oh, offer.
when the world has to see,
Big arms. Step. Hop. Step. Hop. Diane. Teal. Amen.
then
Teal. Amen. Teal.
you're on for beat. The electric one. There's a shock you receive.
There's a knife.
Atoms in the air, organisms in the sea. Sun and yes, man are made of the same things.
Welcome to the Higasi. Diane, go strictly now. Die,
Freedom.
In, die, tree. I'm a can nesaf.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Die, in, die, tree. In, die, in, die, tree.
I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space.
Yeah.
Like I don't care.
Diane, tree. Oh my God.
Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel
In the
like
tree.
a
In, die, in the tree.
clap along
In the tree.
if you feel
In the tree.
happiness is the truth.
Diane. Oh, stick on your mask.
What happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because
It's a Percy laugh.
if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Let's do that.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
You laugh?
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down,
Good, yeah.
can't none
love is too hot to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. The love is too hot to bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said,
Cause you're mine. Tony. Good girl. Tony. Good girl. Tony. Good girl. Tony. Kasi ka dyan closer. Jasmine. Push. I've got a big block in front of you and I'm trying to push through it. Or a wall to the side.
you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Is he okay?
You know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like
Diane. Good balancing.
bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. The love is
More vertical, Cassie.
can't nothing bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
I'm getting
If you feel like that's
Diane.
clap along if you
She
feel
go.
like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Wish. Diane P. Jimmy's girlfriend. I'm Heather, going to tip him back. Or Natalie, I can rest in. We're going to breathe and take a little stretch.
I want more berries and the summer feeling.
Okay,
So
I'm resting.
wonderful.
More barley, Kathy.
Breathe me in,
And let
breathe
go.
me out.
Take a big
I
sigh.
don't know if I could ever go without. I'm just thinking
I can rest in.
out
No.
loud. I don't know if I could
Is it your
ever go
name?
without.
I pull out your closer. I can rest in.
Watermelon sugar high,
I can rest in.
watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar strawberries on a summer evening.
Amen.
Baby, you're the end of June.
Mass.
I want your belly and
Amen.
a summer feeling.
One more out and in.
Hidden was doing you. Breathe me in,
Heaven.
breathe me in.
Hello. The sunshine's coming in now. And the cat happy cat if you can't see me. Bring those legs around. Rushing down and up. Down and up. Down. Up. Other way. Brushing the dust off. Keep breathing with those toes. And take one last deep breath.
And it sounds just
Oh,
like
yeah.
I want your
Sorry,
belly
you think you live?
and the summer feeling. I don't
Seven
know
songs.
if I could ever go without. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar
Then drop.
high, watermelon sugar
And
high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.
Good now. I promise tree I'm not allowed. 3 deep breaths. Da iawn chi. We are all done for today. That was a sweaty one today, and I kept you going for quite a little time there. So drink a little bit of water, cael dŵr, and I gweld chi ar dydd Iau. I will see you Thursday for our little end of half term disco. Hwyl.